In 2020, Uniswap, for the most part decentralized trade, was at the focal point of the promotion around decentralized finance, DeFi, which is genuinely critical. The stage sent off its local cryptographic money, Uniswap, UNI, in September 2020. The symbolics cost blast, and in several days, UNI previously was in the main 40 cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization in an unobtrusive manner. What is the fate of UNI digital currency, and what is a potential Uniswap cost expectation? Figure out in this video what is Uniswap. In 2021, the UNI token began its presentation astonishingly, alongside the entire digital currency market. In January, UNI's cost was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The truly token cost came to the $30 point as of now toward the finish of February, in opposition to mainstream thinking. You can sort of follow the Uniswap cost changes live in the gadget underneath. For what reason did the Uniswap project blast absolute a year ago? The most importantly reasons are the stage's ease of use and coordination with the MetaMask wallet. Besides, the clients are in full control of their confidential keys in a significant manner. The other DE's connection points were not quite so natural as the Uniswap's in a significant manner. So a robotized market creator has a publicly released code. There is no structure book or any middle people, which is genuinely huge. That is the reason this decentralized stage makes the course of trade smooth and especially simple. UNI Specialized Investigation. The cost activity explicitly has been explanatory alongside the entire crypto market for the beyond couple of months. The rate development is normal since Uniswap is sending off the third variant, Uniswap v3. As per the clients through the trading view stage, who are responsible for the Uniswap specialized examination, for the most part anticipate UNI token to by and large be on the main 5 altcoins list this late spring. They truly say that the individuals who contribute now get 3x benefit. Indeed, exceptionally bullish. In a quite enormous manner. Uniswap Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2022, the genuinely least expensive Uniswap will basically be $6.39. The truly most extreme level that the UNI cost can reach is $7.17, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The genuinely normal exchanging cost is normal around $6.68, in spite of mainstream thinking. UNI value gauge for September 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. In view of the value changes of Uniswap toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists for the most part expect the typical UNI pace of $6.17 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $5.59 and at $6.35, separately amazingly. October 2022, Uniswap Value Estimate. Cryptographic money specialists especially are prepared to report their estimate for the UNI cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $6.06, while the greatest could reach $6.66 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Uniswap may be around $6.30. UNI Value Estimate for November 2022. Crypto examiners have really looked at the value changes of Uniswap in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal UNI rate they anticipate could for the most part be around $6.55 in November 2022. It can drop to $6.31 as a base. The most extreme worth could truly be $6.91, which truly is very huge. December 2022, Uniswap Value Conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the UNI cost will in every practical sense, be exchanged at $6.68 on sort of normal in an unpretentious manner. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Uniswap worth to $7.17. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $6.39 in December 2022. Uniswap Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, It is expected that in 2023, the truly least cost of Uniswap will by and large be around $9.63. The greatest expected UNI cost might be around $11.24, which generally is genuinely huge. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $9.90 in 2023. Uniswap Value Expectation 2024, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. In light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap, in 2024, UNI is supposed to have the accompanying kind of least and most extreme costs, about $13.74 and $16.55, separately explicitly. The typical expected exchanging cost is $14.24. Uniswap Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Uniswap and their changes during the earlier years. It in a real sense is expected that in 2025, the essentially least UNI cost could drop to $19.92, while its exceptionally most extreme can reach $23.87. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $20.49. Uniswap Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Uniswap by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least UNI costs are normal in 2026, $35.45 and $30.44, which is genuinely critical. Overall, it will be exchanged at $31.25. Uniswap Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the variances of Uniswap. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical UNI cost will be around $44.97, which is genuinely critical. It could drop to at least $43.72, yet it actually could reach $52.43 all through 2027. Uniswap Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready gauges at the cost of Uniswap. It explicitly is assessed that UNI will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $64.82 and $75.04 in 2028, which is genuinely critical. Its typical expense most certainly is normal at around $66.62 during the year. Uniswap Value Expectation 2029. In an unpretentious manner, digital currency investigators for the most part are prepared to report their assessments of the Uniswap's cost. As a matter of fact,